Ever wonder what messages your angels want to share with you? Let's use a clear quartz sphere for a gentle meditation to tune in, open your heart, and see beyond the moment with this simple scrying meditation practice. Okay, maybe you have a clear quartz sphere, maybe you don't. You can be smaller, you can be bigger, you can be this size. This is a treasure I've had for oh gosh, more than 30 years now. Anyway, so if you don't have one, you can imagine this one. I'm lending this to you energetically and visually. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to hold it up here so you can see it. I'm going to kind of behind this. Okay. You could actually hold it to your third eye, like I'm going to do. Beautiful quartz sphere. As I breathe and ground, please help me tune in and tap into your amazing energy gently, compassionately. Help me open beyond my conscious mind and quiet all the thoughts so that I may tune in through you into the higher planes, to the angelic realm, tapping into and connecting with my guides so that I may easily recognize and understand intuitive guidance, magnifying in a comfortable and subtle way, yet empowering me to really hear, see, sense, or feel the messages that are always coming to me, for my next step, for the dark night of the soul, for my next career move, moving houses, relationships, financial, on my path. I'm going to be here just with you for a moment or two in the silence. I now get the feeling to move you to my heart center. So I am doing this now with my eyes closed and firmly but gently holding you to my heart center to open with grace, ease, courage, and compassion. And what message do you have for me, angels, through this beautiful sphere? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. When you have received your message, whether it's now or in a few minutes, later today, tomorrow, in a few days, maybe it's a really big, impactful well, all guidance is life changing, but like in a bigger way, in a very big way. It may take a little while because your physical self, especially your conscious mind, its job is to keep you where you are because at least it knows where this is, even if it's not where you want to be. So perhaps you're in between where you were. I'm going to put this beauty down for a moment. Okay, this is where you were. This is where you want to be, and you're kind of like in the middle or somewhere. So instead of moving away from where you were, think of moving towards where you want to be, where you can see how things are developing and increasing, multiplying, just more. Sometimes the message, we're not ready to receive it. And I don't mean that you're blocking or resisting. It's just, okay, quick short story. When I was first working on the um the book Sacred Angel Realms, what was it? A pocket guide to the 9 angelic hierarchies or something like that. It's on my Amazon page. Anyway, and I was freaked out. And I procrastinated for 6 months because I didn't know how to start. Well, there's no information I can research. That's why we want you to write the book. And I went, okay. So instead of starting at the top, the highest hierarchy, the angelic realm, which I thought I needed to do, I said, well, let me start with where I'm more experienced, guardian angels and archangels. I went, okay. So I didn't write the whole book at the same time. Yeah, I didn't write the whole book. I wrote it a chapter at a time. So the messages are kind of like that sometimes. Now, I did receive, as I was sharing this with you, because I was literally doing it right now with you, I did receive 2 messages, and I'm grateful for them. Did you receive messages now? Or maybe not yet. Are you really open to receiving what you asked for? You can come back to this anytime. And the reason I hesitate a little bit is because I'm making sure that I am sharing everything I need to be sharing with you. And sometimes I am simultaneously channeling as I'm sharing the information. You can come back to this at any time, and you can imagine holding this energetically and visually. I'm giving you permission to connect and not to worry. It is always near a beautiful piece of clear quartz cluster, so it magnifies the energy, and it's on, I believe it's on a piece of selenite, a selenite charging disc, so that it is always cleansed, balanced, and at its max power. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul, and we'll see you again soon.